This is just a real quick and dirty video. I just got this Chinese Happy Buy diesel heater off Amazon, and I'm going on a fishing trip tomorrow. So I need to make a fireproof window for my Eskimo. I got a 650 XD. So what I'm going to try and do real quick is make a window. I'm going to use some Velcro welding blanket, some scissors, and a stapler. Like I said, it's going to be quick. I've already marked this out with a marker. Got my pattern there. I'm just cutting it. Typically I curl the edges and get my mom to sew them, but I don't have that kind of time right now. Hold it or press it. Harder than that. There it is. Looks like it should work. Now what I'll do when I'm out there, I'm gonna actually, because I want the heater inside the tent, I'm actually gonna take this off, and it looks like that on the end, and I'm just gonna poke a hole right in the middle of that. It's a little X probably, and slide that through, and then I won't burn the tent down. Hopefully not anyways, not while we're sleeping there, I hope. Anyways, that's my my diesel heater, and you could use this hack for a stovepipe if you really need to. Something quick and dirty that'll get the job done, hopefully. Thank you.